Welcome to the pilot episode of DriveWarp by TakeFlight. I'm your host, Scott Allen Miller. We start at the top of Old Mill in North Dallas and head down to the President George Bush feeder, which is also Trinity Mills. We quickly merge onto the George Bush and immediately take the off-ramp to get onto Interstate 35E headed south towards downtown Dallas. This is also the Pan American Highway where it comes through the DFW region, one of the most important highways in the entire country. There's a lot of traffic typically out on this road, but today actually it's pretty good. So I had a really good drive. The cloud cover was perfect. It was a nice bright day, but not overly direct. We're getting pretty close to downtown now. You're going to see it in the distance, just a little bit right there. We're going to be heading right up and coming in on the southwest side of downtown. We're on the west side right now, heading south. You can see Reunion Tower. We're making the turnaround. We're coming right through downtown through the tunnel, taking a right, and we are now merged onto Interstate 45, which takes us out of Dallas and heading into the open countryside towards Houston. We're not actually going to get to the open countryside on this particular drive. We're just going to get to the very south side of Dallas. You're going to see us pull off right at the last moment as we get to the Dallas intermodal for Union Pacific. And when we get in there, we're going to just come around past the intermodal. It's going to flash by real quickly, and we're going to stop at the Love's Travel Plaza right at the end there. Thanks for joining us on the pilot episode of DriveWarp by TakeFlight. Filming was done using a GoPro Hero 9 Black with TimeWarp or Hyperlapse stabilization. Edited on ShotCut on Ubuntu. Please like, subscribe, click the bell, share on social media, and tell your friends. DriveWarp will be bringing you more hyperlapse travel films in 4K. And for more traditional travel films, please visit our parent channel, TakeFlight. In DriveWarp Episode 1, we will be driving from North Dallas to Greenville, Texas.